Las Vegas, we have a shortage on fruit riot. I don't know if y'all know that. $20. I don't know where else to go. My Shayla. All these olive oils. $29 for olive oil. Okay, I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to find what I'm trying to get. Okay. Let's see if they have the fruit riot. That's what I came here for. I'm not playing these games with them. They don't have it. Why are they like this? That's crazy. I don't want pineapple. I'm upset because I don't know where else to go, to be honest. I don't know where else to go. My Shayla. I don't want these. Now I feel like I have to go on a journey to find them. I'm upset. I'm gonna get them, but I'm not happy about this. Fruit riot. Get it together, okay? Seriously, get it together. I'm trying to support you, but you're making it very hard out here. Apparently you're seeing somebody else. I have a problem with that. But yeah, let's get out of here because now I'm upset.
Okay, what's your story? Back like I never loved. God darn it, just tell me already. Back like I never loved. 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 Okay. I heard you like Sony. What? Make sets up. Yeah. I'ma sit on the game.
Okay. Well, look, my mission when I came outside today was, because I don't even come outside, but when I came outside today, my mission was to get this stuff from Sally's and to find as much fruit riot as I possibly can. And I didn't do that. I failed, low-key. I feel like I failed. So I don't like the vibe outside right now. I feel like everybody's kind of tripping. So I want to go home, but I'm on mission. These are cool. They're okay. I am trying to let my hair set. I deep conditioned it and stuff, so don't mind me. I'm out here looking like an 18-year-old. I'm on a mission. Okay, let's see. Let's go see if we can find more fruit riot at Sprouts. Okay, I need the grapes. I'm leaving my fruit riot in the car right there. I'm leaving it right there. I'll be right back, sweetheart. But yeah, I actually really did come to Sprouts. I really did come to Sprouts because I'm very serious about this. So let's go in here and see what's going on. I don't know what the policy is about filming, so I'm not gonna do the most. Oh, this is Sprouts though. If you've never been in here, it's really nice in here. I like this place. It's cute and it's big and it's quaint. And we are coming here for one thing. But let me know if you want me to talk to these people and see if I can do a little Sprouts tour or something, or see if they're trying to do some Sprouts deals of the week. Something like that. Let me know. You guys already know. Okay, practical family shopper. But if you shop good and shop wholesome, if this is your spot, let me know because I can come here. I have no problem. All these olive oils. $29 for olive oil. Okay, I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to find what I'm trying to get. I see some 2 for $5s. I see some stuff here. Okay. All right. We made it to the frozen section. Whew. Out of breath because I'm trying to get back to my food. It's hot. It's over 100 degrees in the car, so let's not even play around. They have some ice cream stuff. Buy one, get one, 50% off. This ice cream is $10 though. That's crazy. I'm not here to judge. I'm here. I'm looking for something. So I see it, you guys, and I see something else too. What is this? So they have the spicy mango here and cotton candy frozen grapes. Shoot. And they have some pasteurized eggs. Look at these pasteurized farm-raised eggs for $4.99. That's not a bad deal, actually. It really isn't. I know I just got distracted like that, but that's not a bad deal. You know my eyes. I got the eyes for the deal. I haven't seen this one. Snack grapes, frozen cotton candy. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get one of each. That's all they came for. Let's go ahead and get out of here. Go ahead and try that. Until Fruit Riot sends me my care package, we're gonna have to travel all over Las Vegas for the Fruit Riot. Okay. No, first of all, look, $20. I'm gonna need y'all to run that. Like, no, seriously. Okay, look. So this is the thing about it. Let me eat one. Huh? We have to try these. Spicy mango and cotton candy. We need to try this. All right, it's like 100 degrees, and not like, it is 100 degrees. I live in Las Vegas, and it is not, this is, no, okay, so don't mind me. Spicy mango chili lime, okay? Fruit Riot, I'm gonna need you to run that because, look, I then went across the whole town to get Fruit Riot, okay? Las Vegas, we have a shortage on Fruit Riot. I don't know if y'all know that. I'm trying to open this. So this is what it looks like, and let me get first smell, hold on. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like a whole tahini type of situation going on. That smells good. Let's go ahead and try it. You know I'm not gonna front. No. Back to the drawing board, sorry. Nope. No. You already know the grapes are fire. The pineapple, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna front. Pineapple is cool. It's like a little snack. Like, if you're somebody that doesn't really like all of the extra, you know, the warhead, sour head type of thing, the pineapple be cool for you. It's cute, you know? The grape is the OG though. This one, with the cotton candy grapes, and this brand is Fresh Farms, fresh from field to frozen. I've never seen this one before, but let's go ahead and check this one out. That's what these look like. Let me smell it. It has an odd smell to it. That's what those look like. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. These are a miss too. No, these are nasty. I'm sorry, these are nasty. I'll take back. I don't know if I can give them back. I'll give them to my kids. I don't like them. I'm very disappointed in the spicy mango. I'm very disappointed. I'm not even front. I came all the way over here for this. Whatever.